For more than 30 years, Technical Finishes has been built on one simple belief: quality is never accidental, it is engineered. We serve the industrial, commercial and residential sectors with confidence and precision. Best known for our epoxy and polyurethane flooring systems, we also deliver specialized construction products such as repair mortars, screed overlays and plasters, alongside advanced corrosion protection and mining solutions. We combine deep technical expertise, rigorous processes, and proudly South African manufacturing to deliver systems that perform under pressure. Driven by our quality management system and supported by a team of expert chemists and technical consultants, every product is engineered for durability, compliance, and long-term performance.
To be honest, I think it's in the name, technical. Our team is highly trained and upskilled to a level where we're confident where every salesperson has an in-depth knowledge of the products that they sell, and the applicant and customer can feel confident that they're getting the best advice, the best on-site support, and the best product into their projects.
And I must say TF is one of the companies with a very strong technical background in terms of chemistry. We come with products that are suitable, designed and specifically developed for a particular market.
Our footprint continues to grow with manufacturing and distribution facilities in 4 provinces across South Africa, allowing us to service the entire country as well as neighbouring African markets.
Our growth has been tremendous, way above the curve, and that's all down to the effort of the team that we have. So that's where my pride lies.
I'm most proud of our agility. I've seen Technical Finishes perform under immense pressure, and our team literally knock it out of the park continuously.
And what inspires me to wake up every day to do my job is finding those solutions.
And the client's got a brand new floor, the floor's clean, it changes the whole atmosphere within the business. That's the satisfaction that we get.
I mean, a lot of our floors here in our building are our own products, and they perform, and we're happy to see that what we're selling is actually working for us as well.
Across all our solutions, we stand by our promise, delivering outstanding finishes with technical performance.